how to fix store unavailable error on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the store unavailable error on Shopify, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try opening another website to confirm if it's working. Step 2, confirm the store URL is correct. Double-check the web address you're typing. Even one small mistake in the store name can lead to a store unavailable message. Step 3, check if the store is closed or paused. If you're the store owner and seeing this message, log into your Shopify admin at shopify.com/login. Your store may be in paused, frozen, or inactive status due to a billing issue or manual action. Step 4, update your billing information. If your store is frozen, go to the billing section in your Shopify admin. Update your payment method and pay any outstanding at your store. Step 5, clear your browser cache or try another browser. Sometimes the issue is local. Try clearing your browser's cache or open Shopify in a different browser or incognito mode. Step 6, contact Shopify support. If everything seems fine and you're still getting the error, contact Shopify support for help. They'll be able to check if your store has been taken offline due to a policy violation or technical issue. Outro, and that's how you fix the store unavailable error on Shopify. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and leave a comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching. Let me know